Gulls, or colloquially seagulls, are seabirds of the family Laridae in the suborder Lari. They are most closely related to the terns, family Sternidae, and only distantly related to auks, skimmers, and even more distantly to waders. Until the 21st century, most gulls were placed in the genus Larus, but that arrangement is now considered polyphyletic, leading to the resurrection of several generations. An older name for gulls is mews, which is cognate with German Mau, Danish Mage, Swedish Mas, Dutch Möwe, French Mouet, and can still be found in certain regional dialects. Gulls are typically medium to large birds, usually gray or white, often with black markings on the head or wings. The general pattern of plumage in adult gulls is a white body with a darker mantle. The extent to which the mantle is darker varies from pale gray to black. A few species vary in this. The ivory gull is entirely white, and some like the lava gull and Heermann's gull have partly or entirely gray bodies. They typically have harsh wailing or squawking calls, stout, longish bills, and webbed feet. Most gulls are ground-nesting carnivores which take live food or scavenge opportunistically, particularly the Larus species. Gulls nest in large, densely packed, noisy colonies. They lay 2 or 3 speckled eggs in nests composed of vegetation. The young are precocial, born with dark mottled down and mobile upon hatching. Gulls are typically coastal or inland species, rarely venturing far out to sea, except for the kittiwakes. The large species take up to 4 years to attain full adult plumage, but 2 years is typical for small gulls. Large white-headed gulls are typically long-lived birds, with a maximum age of 49 years recorded for the herring gull. Gulls have unhinging jaws which allow them to consume large prey. Live food often includes crustaceans, mollusks, fish, and small birds. Gulls are resourceful, inquisitive, and intelligent, the larger species in particular, demonstrating complex methods of communication and a highly developed social structure. For example, many gull colonies display mobbing behavior, attacking and harassing predators and other intruders. Certain species have exhibited tool use behavior, such as the herring gull, using pieces of bread as bait with which to catch goldfish, for example. Many species of gulls have learned to coexist successfully with humans and have thrived in human habitats. Others rely on kleptoparasitism to get their food. Gulls have been observed preying on live whales, landing on the whale as it surfaces to peck out pieces of flesh. The Laridae are known from not yet published fossil evidence since the early Oligocene, some 30 to 33 million years ago. In common usage, members of various gull species are often referred to as seagulls or seagulls. However, seagull is a layperson's term that is not used by most ornithologists and biologists. This name is used informally to refer to a common local species or all gulls in general, and has no fixed taxonomic meaning. In common usage, gull-like seabirds that are not technically gulls, for example albatrosses, fulmars, terns, and skuas may also be referred to as seagulls by the layperson.